Mirror formula and calculations. Mirror formula is the relationship between the image distance v, object distance u, and focal length f. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, where u is the distance of object from mirror, v is the distance of image from mirror, f is the focal length of the mirror. Sign convention for spherical mirrors. All the distances are measured from pole. Distances are measured in the same direction of the incident light is taken positive. Distances against the direction of incident light is taken negative. Distances measured upward and perpendicular are taken positive. Distances measured downward and perpendicular are taken negative.